I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you, 'cause there's so many ways that I want to carve out our names, board a last minute plane, just us two. We can chase the sun as it sets in the mountains, find luck like a bet in Greek fountains, or lay lazy in bed with your head on my chest. I hope you don't mind.
So guys, today we are at the RV Museum Hall of Fame here in Elkhart, Indiana.
I'm excited about this museum. It's really cool. We'll bring you inside.
See you inside.
Chairs they would sit on. They knew what comfort was. I'm home.
So this RV behind us is from the YouTube channel Keep Your Daydream, and they donated it to the museum, I think last year or the year before.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're able to go inside and check it out. It's really cool, guys.
It's really cool. We'll bring you inside.
See you inside. Wine chiller in here.
Joe, you need to make me one of these.
And a wine chiller.
Joe, I need this in our RV.
This is luxury.
The heck is this?
Looks like the family trucks do.
So what did you think about the museum?
I thought it was really cool. You were able to see really old vintage campers from back in the day, from the 20s and 30s, 40s and 50s.
It was so awesome.
Amazing stuff. They had a few from the 80s too. Really
Yeah.
awesome.
I have to say that I am surprised at how comfortable their couches were. Every camper I've ever gone in now, their couches are crappy. So whatever, their couches were so much better. And also they have giant closet space.
You have to go sit in one of these 80s campers.
Yeah.
They're amazingly comfortable.
It's crazy.
We need to get back to that, guys. Come on.
I need to get myself an 80s couch now.
Yep.
Anyway, on to the next.
See you there.
So our next stop is
Notre Dame.
yeah, we're just gonna visit and see what the popular places to see it are here. I think the Grotto and the Golden Dome, and hopefully we can see the Touchdown Jesus.
See you there.
Deus locem quod et bona et vidit Deus locem quod et bona et vidit Deus locem quod et bona et vidit Deus locem quod et bona.
So guys, we just got done Notre Dame.
Beautiful campus, amazing.
It's really breathtaking, like the whole place. Yeah, I mean, it's free to go walk around, and it's like a really nice thing to do, and we highly recommend it.
Highly.
And now we are in South Bend, Indiana, and we're just gonna walk around, and we're gonna go to a brewery, of course.
Of course. So guys, the food here is next level, and we got Thursday special, so dollar wings, and look at these wings. And Sharon got the pulled pork fries, and they look amazing. And we both got New England IPAs. Actually, hers is more of a hazy and mine is darker, but both great beers. Wings are amazing. And they come with this spicy sauce. So delicious, guys. So delicious. So guys, we are at the Studebaker Mansion. We went in to have beers and food because it's a restaurant now.
Yeah.
And you can walk around the entire property, tour it. It's amazing.
And they have reasonable prices for their beer and their
Yeah.
food. So I don't know, like when I was checking out breweries, we wanted to go to the Studebaker Museum, but we already went to the RV Museum today. So we just thought it was too many museums to go to, but we wanted to do something with the Studebaker since that's so famous here. So I saw Studebaker Brewery and I was like, let's go. So we were walking up and we're thinking we're just going into like an everyday brewery.
Or like an abandoned old mansion on the corner here in South Bend. But this place, amazing.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Definitely come check it out.
You have to check it out.
I think on the weekends you probably wouldn't be able to tour it as good because they have a lot of events going on. But come during the week, tour it. It's amazing. Good beer, good food. Come check it out. So we are at the South Bend Cubs game. And I know that we're not a Cubs fan, but we love baseball, so we just wanted to see a baseball game.
And we are pretty much on the field.
Yeah, these are the cheap seats, by the way. I don't know, I was like looking for discount tickets and I found them really cheap and they were selling them for a lot more money, so I feel kind of lucky. It's really awesome here. And they also had what? $2 beers.
$2 beers.
So anyway, here's how close we are.
So guys, this is the traditional Chicago dog. We'll try it. Hopefully it's good. It's spicy. Very different from any other hot dog I've ever had. It has peppers on it, fresh relish, a tomato. It's good. I like it.
So guys, today we're at Indiana Sand Dunes, and this will be the last day that we are actually in Indiana, and we'll bring you with us.
See you there. So here we are at the Studebaker Sugar Shack. Who knew that the Studebakers built property here? We are here today at the Chelberg Farm, which is part of the Indiana Dunes Federal Park area. We were originally going to go to see the future houses, which are closer to the beach, but they didn't have good RV parking, so we weren't able to go up that.
Yeah, so we'll have to come back again one time, but it's okay. But we did get to tour the house, and they aren't usually open, and they're opening this year for the first time. So that was pretty cool that we got to tour the house, and we learned that it used to be a fur trade place, and then the Swedish immigrants came and started logging here, and this was all their farm, and one of them married a Studebaker. So
yeah, some of the structures here were built by the Studebakers, which is cool for us because we were at the brewery.
There. Yeah, it was so cool to learn that. So anyway, we are heading to the beach now, and we'll bring you with us.
See you there.